Hello and welcome to TechChecker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery on this Tissot Touch watch that I've got. It's the Racing Touch. I've had this now for 7 years. It's on the original battery. I'm not too sure if you can quite see, but just below the 2 there's the battery to show that it's low, and if I try to get the light to come on, it won't because the battery's too flat. Now I did have this in standby mode for a while when I wasn't wearing it, hence that it's lasted so long, 7 years, just over 7 years actually, 7.5 years, and I did have it on standby for a while, so it does make a big difference. But now the battery needs changing. If you go to a jeweller's, they want to charge you anything from £40 to 120 depending on the jewellers to put a new battery in one of these Tissot watches. I've picked up this long-lasting, power guaranteed Duracell battery, best before 2025, so it's got a couple of years left in it. It's a 2032, which I believe is the same as the one which is in the back of here, which I'll find out in a minute. All you need is one of these tools. Undo the strap, go to the top corner, peel off the back. Be careful not to damage this round ring because that's the waterproof sealer, and it is a lithium CR2032 and this is a 2032, so we need a little flat-headed screwdriver to loosen off this part. Oh, that's done it. I've loosened it a little bit. Slide it to one side. Now get this battery out. Now this has actually got like a thin bit of plastic over it, which I think only allows a certain part of the battery to come into contact with the watch. So I'm gonna try and replicate that myself by sticking this on like so. And the other thing I'm going to do is on the back, click on that. No. It's the first 18, so I'm just putting in the date that I'm putting it in, the first of the 18th. Make a little mark on that side to help me line it up. Push that in. There we go. Obviously I'm going to have to set the time again. I'm just going to tighten this up. Now make sure that you get this band around the outside on there properly, and that's the top of the watch. Put it back exactly how it was. Goes on like so. Little tad. Now if you've got a watch back presser, this is when you're going to need it. If you get it dead center, should be good to go. Just like so. Yeah, looks like it's pretty much on there. Right. So now we need to just set up the time and the date. So I'm going to press and hold the middle button. Press and hold the top button. Change the date. It's the 2nd. You hold it down, it goes through the date, the months, and then the years. 18. There you go, it's on 18 now. Now I just need to change the month. So just hold down, it goes to the month. There's the date set, 2nd of the 1st 18. Then we get it to the time, and it is 12:05. So press and hold again. Make sure you get the AM and the PM correct. I'm going to go backwards, it's going to be easier. I'm pressing the button down and holding it. – 12. $12.05. Set. Now the battery light's disappeared. Got a full battery, everything's working. Get it back to the middle. Once the light stops, you can see there's no battery symbol there now. That's going to stop flashing in a minute. Have to press and hold. It lights up, whereas before it didn't because it didn't have enough battery. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have got a back presser, it's going to be helpful, but if you can, as long as you can get it like that, press it in evenly, you're going to be fine, and all the functions still work. And the time and the date's all set up. So yeah, hopefully this video has been of some help to you. Any questions, feel free to ask. This little device I got in a kit. I think I got it off Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll leave it in the description below. Battery, I bought the Duracell one. You can buy it. The original make is one of these. If I can find them, I'll leave a link. It's a lithium battery. And this is a lithium as well. I think I bought 10 of these, worked out cheap. So yeah, hopefully this has been of some help. Okay, now we've changed the battery, we can check the level. It goes from 0 to 8, I believe, or 1 to 8. Press your touch button, get it to where it says option, press the button in the middle, that one there. Goes 24 hours, beep on, you can turn that off, swap, sleep, 24 hours, so you go to the sleep, let that sleep, once this is now gone into sleep, this is really handy if you're leaving your watch for a long period of time. This is what I do, put it into sleep. Once you've done that, press the top button, hold it for 6 seconds. Press the compass, and then it'll come up with some numbers, and then press the top one and it says battery level 8, so you know that your battery's fully charged. You then got condition, okay, calibration, your compass. Basically shows every single thing on the watch there, that's why you can't make it out. Press it again, and it goes through all the different things. Press that back, and there you go. So that's how you get to the battery part. So hopefully this has also been helpful.